This is the final and third lecture for 1.2, where we're dealing with changing fractions to decimals, decimals to fractions, and percents to decimals, decimals to percents. To convert a number to a decimal, you're going to divide when you have 9 over 20, 20 into 9. Now, because 9 is smaller, we need to put some point zeros here, and we don't know how many until we start dividing. 20 does not go into 9. Remember, we bring our decimal point right up. 20 goes into 90 4 times. 4 times 20 is 80. Subtracting, you get 10. Bring down your next number. 20 goes into 100 5 times. 5 times 100 is 100. You subtract, and you have no remainder. So our answer is 0.45. If you have a calculator, you could also have punched that into your calculator and make sure you say 9 divided by 20. Okay? So 2 divided by 3, or 3 divided into 2. Bring our decimal point straight up. 3 doesn't go into 2. 3 divides into 20 6 times. 6 times 3 is 18. Subtract, and I have 2, and I have 20 again. 3 goes into 20 6 times, and you can see that it's just repeating. So your answer is 0.66 repeating. Pay attention in my math lab. Do they ask you to round it? And if they do, to what decimal place are you asked to round it? Okay, so what about a decimal to a fraction? Okay, this is 8 because that's the number over. Now, how many decimal places do you have? 1. And if we look back at our decimal place, 1 decimal place is tenths, right? So that means we're going to write this over 10. I don't want that color. I want the right color there. Now, can 8 and 10 over 10, can that be reduced? Well, they're both divisible by 2 because they're even. So 4 over 5 is your answer. Here I have 77 hundredths. So I put it over 100. Okay. 77 is 7 times 11. But neither of those numbers divide into 100 evenly. So you're done. Here I have 4, 2, 3, 7 over. I have 3 decimal places, which makes this thousandths. Again, you're going to find nothing in common here, so you would be done. Okay, what about percent to decimal? Okay, percent to decimal. You move the decimal point left 2 places, or some people think of it as you divide by 100. So here I have 27. There's no decimal point there, so it's understood to be over here on the far right side. If I move it 2 decimal places left, I get 0.27. 150, decimal point on the right, 2 places left, makes that decimal 1.5. Now when you're going from decimal to percent, it's just the opposite. You move the decimal point two places right, or some people look at it as you multiply by 100. So here I have 0.445, two places right, gives me 44.5%. 1.42, two places to the right, makes it 142%. And that ends our lectures for 1.2.